Fruits are rich in nutrients which keep the body away from fatigue, dehydration, stomach upset, acidity and other complaints. That is why fruits should be used more than fried foods in iftar. Fruit licks are usually made in every home during iftar, but fruit salads are not preferred, although fruit salads are full of usefulness. How to make a fruit salad. Ingredients: apples 1 cup, small square pieces. Pineapple 1 cup. Strawberries 1 cup. Cardamom 1 cup. Corns 1 cup. Potatoes 1 cup, small square pieces. Macaroni 1 cup boiled. Cabbage 1 small piece. Mayonnaise 1½ cup. Cream 1 cup. Ketchup, a teaspoon. Chili sauce, a teaspoon. Ice sugar, 1 to 1½ teaspoons. Pepper, ½ a teaspoon. Synthesis. First boil the macaroni in a small pan and then boil the potatoes. Then chop the cabbage. Then in a large bowl, add pineapple, strawberry, cardamom, apple, corn, potato, macaroni, mayonnaise, cream, ketchup, chili sauce, sugar, pepper and mix. After mixing, keep it in the fridge for a while, then make a cool fruit salad for iftar.